I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure it has enough charge and that you can unlock it. Open Settings and go straight to Sound or Audio Profiles. This is where call volume lives. Tap Call Volume to reveal the slider and the in-call volume controls so you can adjust during a call. Once done, also note Do Not Disturb and Separate Media versus Call sliders. These controls affect incoming call loudness differently, so you can modify exactly what you want to reduce. You now focus on precise changes. Place a call and use the in-call volume buttons to lower the earpiece sound. This guarantees you hear the call while reducing room noise. If loudspeaker is active, tap the audio route icon and switch to earpiece or a paired Bluetooth headset to instantly reduce perceived volume. Also enable any hearing or call enhancement profiles carefully. These can normalize peaks and lower extremes. Make incremental adjustments and test with a short call. You finish by saving any profile changes and testing with different callers to ensure consistency. If volume behaves oddly, reset sound settings or boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps. This often fixes conflicts that make calls too loud. If the phone still outputs excessive volume, clean the speaker grill gently and check for a software update, because firmware fixes can restore proper gain control. If a hardware fault is suspected, make an appointment at an authorized service center to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.